One of the biggest news in the internet right now is the short payment rolling up very soon by February 2023. And this is going to be a great improvement in you making more money into your portfolio. So right now, I'm going to be giving you the steps that is going to make you make more money from these particular new features coming up, and how you can also start as a new creator on YouTube channel without this affecting your current job you are doing before now. So right now, welcome back to my channel, and this is Plug. If you actually like this content, you can go ahead to smack on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell icon. Thank you. So right here, one of the benefits from this new rolling platform that is going to be coming up on the YouTube platform, which is the Shorts, is actually making more money. So right now, with your spare time, you can currently make more money with this particular opportunity that is coming up with this platform, which you can make a short videos within 60 seconds and you're going to be getting more revenue from it. Well, there are steps to actually get this particular thing done. So if you want to know those steps, wait to the end of this particular video so you will not miss any important updates. So the second part is just that you're actually going to be keeping your time and you're going to be using your time to make money, because currently money is time right now and time is also money. So not wasting time in 2023 is going to make a lot of impact in your life, and it's actually not going to affect your current job you are doing right now. Another benefit from this particular platform is that you are actually going to get influence. Like when you start making a content that people actually like, they start getting attracted to your face, and wherever they see you, boom, you're actually getting fame and famous just like that. That is also another benefit from it. And the last benefit I'm going to be talking about is how easy the platform is going to be helping you. Right now, you don't have to actually pay any amount to start this platform. All you need is your commitment and your ability to actually improve and deliver to the community. So if you can do all this, yes, this particular new platform, which is the short payment, is actually for you. So let's move into how to kickstart the short payments and how to start making money from it. All right. So the first thing you need to do is to have a YouTube channel. And to create a YouTube channel is currently easy. All you need to do is to have a Gmail account. So when you have a Gmail account, then you go to your YouTube platform, go to the creator content area, then you click on it and you name whatever the channel, the name you want to give the channel, you make the brand and every other stuff. If you want to learn more about that, you can go straight to the comment section and drop a comment. I'm actually make another video about that on step by step to actually create a YouTube channel for you. All right, so after you've done that, you start making short content with 60 seconds and thereabout as long, because if you are a TikToker, this is actually a great opportunity for you to actually come and experience what is happening on the YouTube Shorts right now by February. So you can start as of now. If you're interested, you can go into the comment section also to drop a comment, and probably I'm going to select some comment and make some video and give you a shout out in my next video. So right now, a TikToker actually make videos on TikTok, and basically the payment for TikTok requires more followers and you going on live to get gifts and keep tapping. If you're a TikToker, you should know what I'm actually talking about right now. But this particular new area coming on the YouTube platform is currently different from what we have been seeing on the TikTok area right now. It is absolutely different from what we've been seeing right here. So all you need to do is to start a content and start making progress in it. So there are requirements for you to actually get this particular done, which it is, you need a 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers is actually very important in the YouTube platform, which also in TikTok you need to have a 1K followers before you can start making live videos. So that is how it is also on the YouTube channel. So for you to get that done on the TikTok, you can actually do this also on the YouTube platform right now, which is the short. And another thing you need to have is 10 million views for your short. This might actually be shocking, but you can actually achieve this. For you to actually get a lot of views from your TikTok, if you create the same energy on your YouTube channel, you're going to be getting this and you're going to be getting high payments than what you're going to be getting on your TikTok. So with these few updates, it's going to help you and going to go a long way for you to make more revenue into your platform in any business you are actually doing. YouTube is a platform that actually give out time to showcase your talent, to showcase yourself to the world. So in anything you are doing, just try to start creating a little content of it. It's going to make a lot of market value to your market, and also you're going to be getting more money to you, because without money you are nobody.